Hello, welcome to another episode of the Ikanbilis Weekly Forecast Show. Our weekly forecast is published every Sunday, 4 p.m. UK time to help you navigate the sea of market volatility. Please subscribe and click the like button before we dive into the charts.
Hey people, I've got something good to share with you guys. Bilis has launched a prop trading service and we are now looking for talented traders to fund. You can trade Forex, crypto indices, and metals with the accounts using the MetaTrader 4 application. We have the friendliest evaluation criteria in the industry that sets you up for success. All you just need to make 10% on your account in 60 days and make sure that your trade sizes are consistent and within a reasonable risk parameter. Most prop trading firms split up their evaluation into two 30-day phases and require a 10% profit made on each of those phases. In my opinion, that sets up traders for failure and forces them to take unnecessary risks on the account. Furthermore, we allow you to earn from the get-go. Yes, we reward you for good trading even during your evaluation phase. So wait no longer. Go ahead and sign up for an account at ikanbilis.capital. We're now giving out free challenges for a limited time only. Please join our Discord channel to say hi and find out more.
Yeah, so for the dollar yen, took some trades. That's why it's so messy. Yeah, so for the dollar yen, it's been quite a choppy situation. So it just keeps breaking up and down on this channel. And it's fine because it's not very strong. Strong area where things might work for, where it's like kind of the middle of nowhere. But if we think of this as a whipsaw liquidating the longs here, liquidating the shorts here, and liquidating all the longs here, it's achieved its effect, right? And now the question is, are we ready to move back up higher? I think it rejected twice over here. So I won't be surprised if I see next week try to the upside once more. Right, so try to the upside once more. And then come back down. Right, or this could, go down and then either way it's possible. But I think this channel might have to be redrawn. Right. Yeah. So yeah, I think for any significant upside, and even like when I say significant upside, the cap is here, right? Because there's a larger channel. For any significant upside to happen, it has to break this. I'm not sure how it's going to play out for this reward. But if there isn't any shock event, things will stay status quo, which means continued trading within this larger channel. So if you want to take it up for a long, I think this is not a bad level. You could get a pretty good harvest reward, almost 1 to 3 here. And then try and gun for the upside move. If you want to do it for the downside, I wouldn't recommend doing it here. You probably wait for some kind of high retrace, maybe up to these levels. Right? And then try for a shot. But even so, I think there isn't really like an anchor you can place your stop loss. So I think the short trade is less preferred. Alright, I'll go for the long.
We've come to the end of the video. If you think our content is useful to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Our Discord channel is up and running, and it's the best place to stay current with our latest updates. See you there, or until next week.